Ras Jobe again, farming it Ras Jobe. We're gonna do some planting reaping right now. We're taking from the old and we're gonna go over to the new field to reap some more. So let us take a walk and do some reaping. So it's a little bit kind of bushy this time of the year. Not gonna get much. But yeah, we're gonna do this one here, as you see. How beautiful it is. Nice. This is from the old field. So like I said, when you're chopping a plant, you try to go as high as you can go. As high as you can go. See? So it won't fall on the ground. And this is the tricky part. You gotta be able to control it so it doesn't fall. Dismantle the tree right away. Some people will do it like this and leave this to feed these. I find when I do it this way, what I'm going to do now, I get a better result with these. They grow faster without this. I've done my test and I've done my work on it, and I see where it pays off. As you can see some of these trees. That's the same thing I did with them, and see how fast they grow. So I'm getting a third out of that. So this is what I do. Don't worry about some of these suckers. You don't need so much around. That's what I do. Take that out. I have to take this out. Take it out. There you go. So you have this and you have that. And you're good. Because it's winter season now, you got the water going in the earth and the earth is soaked with water, so you don't need this. It's only going to make the root of the plant get sour. And you're not going to see these, it's going to change and then look puny. So I will show you again next time how these look in another month or two. So continue to see, look through the old field. Let's see if we can find some more ready ones. As you see, there's a lot of plantain that needs to be cleaned up. So we're trying to look around to see which is ready from one not ready. So we'll be moving on up further. Here we go. One thing with these plants, they carry a lot of weight. Very weighty. I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to go further down, see what you can find. But the pineapple, they're going to be start soon from now. This is winter time now. They're growing taller to start bearing coming spring. You see they start putting out, start getting red. They start being red in there, and then you see the fruit coming up out of the heart of the plant. It's going to get red, and then you see the little fruit coming right up out of the plant, and then it become a pine. That's how it is. Here we go again. And we do normally what we normally do. Cut this Another beautiful bunch. Beautiful. Clean. Another spot. When you put these to right, they give you the prettiest bowl you can ever see. Not to put in your account, but to eat. That bowl. You know, it's not to chop out the locks. You know, to chop out the locks. Just gonna fix myself up a little bit. So this is what we are working with. This one and this one. And this one is going to be the powerhouse. Okay. Then turn it down. You see what we got here. Nothing around here. See what I'm telling you? This is what I'm trying to show you. See, notice I take it out here. Look at the beauty of the suckers. If you have this in there, it's gonna be sour, and then it just make this plant doesn't go anywhere. So look at the beauty. That's all. And within by before the spring come, these will get another shoot out of it, and this will come after it, and then you got other sucker coming. So that's how I do my thing. Come on, guys. Sometimes that's what happens sometimes. If you're not careful, this is what would happen. The plant trick me. That's as I said, this is what I do. So this is about, okay. So we have another one from the old field. Okay. Sometimes you just have to do a little brushing. So here we go again. So this is easy. Just go like that. That's it. There we go. So that's it for the old field now. So we're gonna get these ones up and out, and then we go cross over to the new side what we planted the last year before after this one. So we go visit that one and see what we have. Yeah, man, we now go across. So we have to leave everything on the street. So here we are. This is what we get from the old farm. We're putting them in this barrel here. Now we're going to move on to the new farm to see what we can find to put with this. So we're going to move on over to the new part now beside my home, so we can get some more out of the new field that we had started last year, or sometime this from the summer. So we are reaping now. So we're gonna move. Oh, beauty. Another beauty. So we're gonna get this one. There we go. There we go. Look at these plants. Look at these plants. How beautiful they are. Real beauty. This is what gives me the more strength to do some more of these. They're beautiful. Very beautiful. Bigger than this. Okay. Okay, look at the beauty of the old farm.
Yeah.
So you can imagine when I put myself in it and clean it up and get them going again for the spring. You're gonna get some of this beauty. Look at this one. This is really, really beautiful. Clean, nice, and they say it's organic. It is natural. So we're gonna move on now to the new field. One more down there. Yes, we're going to the new field to get some plant, but I'm just going to show you what we're going to be starting now in the, this is a beetroot. All of this is the beetroot we're going to be planting in the new piece down there where I'm started. So here's the onion. This is just a sample of what I'm going to do. I'm going to be sowing some more seeds and you will see enough of this, and carrot. So we're going to be starting that for the new coming, going down into the spring to meet to the summer where we can get carrots, onions, beets for the health. So we are going to, this is what we're going to be doing for the coming month. In January, we're going to be doing this because January is not too far. We're going to be doing planting out those. So we're going to go to the field here now, the new field, to see what we can find. So we're going to go across here. To see which one of these beauty we're going to cut. There they are. This is the new side of the field that we started and show you when we started. So this is what we have here now. Look at the beauty and the fruitfulness of the plant. So we're going to cut one of these trees. So we have to go very high because they're very heavy. Feels like it has about 1,000 fingers, man. Feels like it's about 1,000 fingers on it. It's heavy. Careful, not careful. I gotta get the hook out. Okay, so this is what we're taking, just one we're taking from the new field today. So when we come, Here we have another one, we'll do another set later on. That's it again. So, we're just showing you what's going on in the new. Some of these are just putting out. You see. So what we're going to do here now, we're going to take the navel off like that. You take that off. So there are less food going to the navel, but going to the plant itself, the food itself. When you take the navel off, it makes the planting fit faster and get more food to the fruits. So here, these are just coming out now, shooting up. Everything is just shooting right up. So this is the new side that we started in the summer, and this is where it's at right now. Nice. This is where it's at right now. Nice bunch. Look at the beauty of that one. See a nice bunch right there. And look at the suckers around it. They're ready to. This one is ready to shoot again as soon as possible. Another month from now, it will be ready. This is where we are at right now in this new field. Everything is showing your face right up. Look across. It's all plantain. My viewers, this is what I do, and my subscribers, it's beautiful. This is what it is. This is what we did in the summer, and now we are reaping out of it now. So by the spring to come, or by January going to February, going down to the spring, all of this will be cutting down, and you got beautiful fruits coming off it. So this is what I get for what I do. So I sell a few, and I make a few dollars, and I feel good in myself, and I give away a lot. Most of what I do, I give away what I plant, so that I get a thrill out of that, and I get a feeling, good feeling out of that, to give away things when I plant. So, this is where we're at right now. So, we're gonna go a little bit more cross, and then after that we're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it as that for now. So, this is the beauty of everything. And here's the other side over there where I just planted. So this year, I just lately plant this. All of these are gross material banana. It's all ripened banana. Banana that you ripen to eat, not just cook and eat, to ripen to eat. So this is just coming out. So by the summer, everything will be up, just like the plantain over here. And then we will be cutting banana off it, coming up this time of the year, next year. So this is the youngest part of the field that is coming right now. And you will see the beauty of it and what we gain from it by food. So all of these ripe leaves, you take them off. You don't want them on there. Just kind of get them off. That's what we do. And keep all clean leaves. This tree will be growing faster, so you get lots more leaf going up. So there's no problem if you take off, or you can take off. This tree surprised me. It surprised me, man. To see how fast this tree come. Man, like it's in a real banana spot. This tree. And if you notice the fall around. See the fall around? The beginning now show like how the middle, but the banana là. Something about it, man. It is beautiful. This is where we are, my viewers and my subscribers. Yes, my subscribers and my viewers. Thank you very much for watching. And I thank you for there with me from the start. So we'll give you more and continue giving more. So keep in tune and be good. This is Ras Jobe signing off. Till next time. Have a good day. Thank you all.
Yeah, very good.